Let's see how to add Presto card on your Presto app. So in this video, I'm not talking about how to download Presto app. I made a separate video which you can go and have a look at, how you sign in, how you get to this app, what you see on the screen. So as you can see, once you're on the screen, right now there's already a Presto card which is active, and I'm adding a second Presto card which I'll show to you. To add Presto card, you see here add card. This is where you come and click, and then once you are on this page, here you see physical Presto card. You come and click here and then enter the 17-digit Presto card which you see on the bottom. You enter that 17-digit number here, and then also the verification number which you find on the Presto card. So as you can see on the screen, this is where you will find the 3-digit verification number. Once you have entered, click next. Here you will create 4-digit PIN. You enter whatever PIN number you want. You create a card nickname. Here I am saying Apple Pay. So once that is done, here you see card has been added. You can load the Presto card, and you can also set up auto load. Once you set up an auto load and you connect with your credit card, the auto load will ensure that your Presto card remains loaded whenever you want to use. You can set up the amount. I made a detailed video on this. You can check that video where all this information has been captured. Hopefully this was of help. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.